Remember the days when phones were just for calls? Back then, mobile phones were bulky, had limited functionality, and were primarily used for making voice calls and sending text messages. They were a far cry from the powerful devices we carry today. Those days are long gone. Today, smartphones are an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending communication, entertainment, and productivity into one compact device. Now your smartphone is a mini computer, packed with artificial intelligence. These devices are capable of performing complex tasks, from managing your schedule to controlling smart home devices, all with a simple touch or voice command. AI is changing how we use our phones. It's not just about making calls or sending messages anymore. It's about creating a personalized experience that adapts to your needs. It's making them smarter and more helpful than ever before. With AI, your smartphone can learn from your habits, predict your needs, and offer solutions before you even realize you need them. No longer just tools, phones are becoming intelligent partners. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are now commonplace, helping us navigate our busy lives with ease. Welcome to the future of mobile. With the advent of 5G technology, the capabilities of our smartphones are expanding even further, offering faster speeds and more reliable connections. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how our devices operate. It's transforming the way we interact with technology, making our devices more intuitive and responsive. By learning from our habits and preferences, AI personalizes the mobile experience. It can suggest apps, remind you of important tasks, and even help you stay healthy by tracking your fitness goals. Imagine a phone that anticipates your needs before you even ask. This is not science fiction. It's the reality of today's AI-driven smartphones. This is the power of AI in your pocket. The smartphone revolution is here, and it's transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. So, how does all this magic happen? Powerful processors are key. They act like the brains of your phone, crunching massive amounts of data at lightning speed. Advanced algorithms, the step-by-step instructions for AI, play a crucial role too. They allow phones to learn and make decisions, mimicking human-like thinking. But hardware alone is not enough. AI thrives on data. Every interaction you have with your phone, from texting to browsing, generates data. This data is like gold, training AI to understand your preferences and provide a more personalized experience. Let's talk about real-world applications. Virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant are now staples. They use AI to understand your voice commands, answer questions, set reminders, and even tell jokes. Health apps use AI to track fitness levels, monitor sleep patterns, and even detect potential health issues. Ever wonder how your phone camera instantly enhances photos? That's AI at work too. AI-powered photo editing tools can automatically adjust lighting, remove unwanted objects, and apply stunning filters, making you a professional